Hi, good morning children. We can start our class. Okay, can you remember where we stopped last class? Yes, we stopped. We discussed about the aluminium smelting and we discussed mineral based industries like iron and steel industry and aluminium smelting. So today we can discuss about a new topic, that is chemical industries. Chemical industries, don't forget, okay. Dears, it is a fast growing and diversifying. That is the first point I have to tell you. Fast growing and diversifying. വ്യത്യസ്തതകളുള്ളതും, it is a fast growing industry. What it is? Chemical industry. Contribution to the GDP, it is 3%. Contribution to the GDP, 3%. And in terms of its size, വലുപ്പത്തിൻ്റെ കാര്യത്തിൽ it is the third largest in the Asia and 12th place in the world. Don't forget, according to the, on the basis of the size of this industry, third largest industry in Asia and 12th largest industry in the world. Got it? And in this case, large and small scale industries are there. In chemical industries, we can see large scale industries also and the small scale industries also. Rapid growth happens in organic and inorganic sectors. Organic sector, organic and inorganic, that already you understood, you studied in your chemistry, okay, organic and inorganic. So, some examples of the inorganic chemicals. We can discuss about some examples of the inorganic chemicals. Sulfuric acid, you studied in your chemistry, sulfuric acid using for fertilizers, plastics, paints, paint. So these all things we are using this sulfuric acid, that is an inorganic chemical. And alkaline soda ash used to make glass, soap, detergent. So these all we are using for this, all included in the chemical industries. These industries widely spread the widely spread industries. Widely spread industries means it is not at all concentrated in one area, it is all over the area. Industries are there. And organic chemicals include. Now you understood what are the inorganic. More examples are there in your textbook. While you are reading, you will get it. Organic chemicals includes petrochemicals. Did you heard about petrochemicals? What it is? Petrochemicals, that is used for the making of a synthetic fibers. Artificial fibers, synthetic fibers, not natural fibers, synthetic fibers ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നു petrochemicals. Not only that, synthetic rubber, synthetic fibers, plastic, dye stuff, drugs, pharmaceuticals, ഇതിനൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നതാണ് organic chemicals. I think you got a small idea about the inorganic chemicals and organic chemicals. More examples are there in your textbook, read it, okay? The organic plants are located near oil refineries or a petrochemical plants. Organic industries or organic plants are locating near the oil refineries. എണ്ണ ശുദ്ധീകരണ ശാലകളുടെ അടുത്ത്. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ petrochemical plants near these organic plants are situating or locating. For chemical industry, its own largest consumers are there. You know that chemical industries large number of consumers are there. ഒരുപാട് ആളുകൾ ഇത് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നു. Why? You know which are the consumers? There are used for industrial application. It is used for the industrial application and also for the agricultural activities. That is why more number of consumers are there for the chemical industry. Now you got it. Why the huge number of consumers are there for the chemical industry? Because it is the base of industrial application and for the agricultural activity. So fertilizer making, acids, rubber, synthetic and the synthetic rubber, etc. These all, it is a large number of consumers are there. That is why it is a more number of consumers for this chemical industry. I think you got a small idea about the chemical industry. Okay, now we are discussing about a separate topic, fertilizer industry. Fertilizer industry. Fertilizer industry. രാസവള വ്യവസായം, fertilizer industry. This is centered around production of nitrogenous fertilizers. You know, nitrogenous fertilizers, nitrogen adangiyya fertilizers, and it is more suitable for the growth of the plants in the soil. That is why it is nitrogenous fertilizers, mainly urea. One of the most important nitrogenous fertilizer, it is urea, and phosphate fertilizers and ammonium phosphate, these all are included in this category. And complex fertilizers with have a combination of complex fertilizers. It's a combination of what is complex fertilizers? Complex one, it is a mixture of some other, that means nitrogen will be there, phosphate will be there, potassium, nitrogen N, phosphate P, potassium K. These all you studied in your chemistry. I don't want to teach it. Am I right? So these all mingled together, that is known as complex fertilizers. Got it? So nitrogenous fertilizers, complex fertilizers, this industry is boosting up. In this potash is entirely imported. ഈ പൊട്ടാഷ് നമ്മൾ അതിൻ്റെ പൊട്ടാഷിൻ്റെ പ്രത്യേകത, ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് എൻറ്റയർലി മുഴുവനായും ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഇമ്പോർട്ടഡ് ഫ്രം അതർ കൺട്രീസ്, because the country does not have any reserves of the commercially usable potash. നമുക്ക് വാണിജ്യാടിസ്ഥാനത്തിൽ യൂസ് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള പൊട്ടാഷ് reserves are not in our country. That is why it is completely entirely imported from other countries. India, the largest producer of a nitrogenous nitrogenous fertilizers. Nitrogenous fertilizers India largest producer, but in case of potash there is a small problem. And there are 57 nitrogenous and complex nitrogenous fertilizers producing units are here. That means India there are 57 nitrogenous and a complex nitrogenous fertilizers producing units are there. Got it? And 29 for urea, 9 for ammonium, and there are 10 public sector undertakings and 1 in cooperative sector. This all data, these all numbers you have to recall while you are keep in mind and give importance for these numbers, and what are complex fertilizers, what are nitrogenous fertilizers, what are the uses of it, everything you have to understand. And also it is there are 10 public sector undertakings and 1 in the cooperative sector. At Hazira in Gujarat, ഈ കോപ്പറേറ്റീവ് സെക്ടറിലുള്ള ഒന്ന് പ്രവർത്തിക്കുന്നത് ഫെർട്ടിലൈസർ ഇൻഡസ്ട്രി. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഇൻ ഹാസിറ ഇൻ ഗുജറാത്ത് അണ്ടർ ഫെർട്ടിലൈസർ കോർപ്പറേഷൻ ഓഫ് ഇന്ത്യ. ഫെർട്ടിലൈസർ കോർപ്പറേഷൻ ഓഫ് ഇന്ത്യയുടെ അണ്ടറിൽ ഹാസിറ ഗുജറാത്തിലാണ്. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഇൻ one chemical industry. Okay. And you know, after the green revolution, already we studied green revolution, white revolution. Okay, so after the green revolution, you know that it is boosting industrially based and the agriculture based, this chemical industry also. And after the green revolution, the industry expanded. എന്തുകൊണ്ടായിരിക്കാം? That means different parts of the country, different parts of India, after the green revolution, this industry expanded because it is used for the agricultural activities more. Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Kerala contribute half of the fertilizer production. ഈ സംസ്ഥാനങ്ങളൊക്കെയാണ് fertilizer production like half it is sharing. Okay, and you know that why after the green revolution it is increased? Because of the large scale production happened the period of the green revolution. So most of this nitrogenous and the complex nitrogenous fertilizers it is used for that. Okay. Then other producers, apart from Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, UP, Punjab, they are giving a half of the share. Apart from these states, other states are Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Rajasthan, Bihar, Maharashtra, Assam, etc. also producing or sharing their own. Okay, I think you got what are the important things what we discussed related with the fertilizer industry. Okay. Next, we can discuss next important mineral based industry. It is a cement industry. Cement. You know, cement is essential for the construction activity. One of the most important material for the construction work, it is cement. And houses, factories, bridges, roads, airports. So, different construction activities, cement is one of the most important factor. And this industry needs bulky and heavy raw materials like iron and steel industry. Bulky, large quantity raw material is needed, and also it is a heavy industry. Cement industry is like iron and steel industry, it is a heavy industry. And like limestone is needed, silica is needed, gypsum is needed for to make the cement industry. These are the raw materials it is used to make the cement. What are they? Limestone, silica and gypsum. It located in Gujarat. This industry located in Gujarat. Most it is Gujarat. Why it is? It is because suitable access to the market in the Gulf countries. It is more easy to export these cement to Gulf countries. So, access to the market in the Gulf countries, that is why it is more in Gujarat. Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan are the other states they are producing, that means cement apart from Gujarat. And first cement plant, it is set up in Chennai. Adyathe cement factory, it is set up in Chennai, it was in 1904, 1904. And after independence, industry expanded. You know that up to independence, we are not in a developing situation. So, after independence, this industry developed a lot. Decontrol of a price, decontrol എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നിയന്ത്രണം നീക്കുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. Decontrol of a price and distribution and since 1989 and other policy reforms led the industry rapid growth in the capacity, process, technology and production. So, after the independence, what are the reason for the development of this industry? സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യത്തിന് ശേഷം എന്തുകൊണ്ട് ഏതൊക്കെ കാരണങ്ങൾ കൊണ്ടാണ് this industry developed? What are the reason for the development of this industry after the independence? Decontrol of the price and the distribution. Since 1989 and other policy reforms, industrial policy reforms related with the cement industry also helped the industry to develop. Not only that, rapid growth in the capacity, process and the technology and the production. ഇതൊക്കെ ഇൻഡസ്ട്രിയെ ഡെവലപ്പ് ചെയ്യാൻ ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്തു എന്നാണ് പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ഇംപ്രൂവ്മെൻറ്റ് ഇൻ ദ ക്വാളിറ്റി, improvement in the quality. Each and every products market, it is deciding the quality of that product. Am I right? So, improvement in the quality makes a market at East Asia, Middle East countries, Africa and South Asia. സാധനങ്ങൾ ക്വാളിറ്റി ഉണ്ടാകുമ്പോഴാണ് the demand is increasing. So, because of the highest quality of cement got a international market, that means make a market in the East Asia, Middle East countries, Africa and the South Africa. Okay, South Asia. This industry very good in case of production and export. In case of the production and also in case of the export, it is a very good industry. So, my dear children, these are the important things I have to discuss with you related with this cement industry. Got it? Next, we have to discuss about automobile industry. These also included in the mineral based industry. Okay, automobile industry. Automobile industry. This industry provides, what do you mean by automobile? Yes, vehicles. So, this industry produce vehicle for the quick transport of goods and services and passengers. You just imagine that there is no such a automobile industry, the world will be in a stagnant position. ഒരു മൂവ്മെൻറ്റും ഇല്ലാതെ ലോകം നിന്നു പോയിരുന്നു. So, this automobile industry provide a quick movement of, quick transport of goods and the services and also the passengers. Am I right? Okay. Trucks, some example of automobiles, trucks, buses, cars, motorcycles, scooters, three-wheelers and multi-utility vehicles and are manufactured in India. Vehicles, these all vehicles are manufactured in India. After liberalization, stimulated the demand for the vehicles. After liberalization, already we discussed what is liberalization and globalization. Okay, so after liberalization there is a demand and there is a sudden change happen in this industry. So that led to the healthy growth of industry. Before one sentence I left, once again I will tell you, after liberalization there is a great demand for the this automobile industry, so that it lead to the healthy growth of industry. Liberalization വന്നതോടുകൂടി, ഉദാരവൽക്കരണം വന്നതോടുകൂടി, different all the barriers it is taken out, all the barriers it is removed in the international trade. So different, it help or it give a healthy growth of this automobile industry. And there is a sudden change happen in this industry. That means foreign investment brought a new technology. That means foreign investment, because of liberalization, foreign investment, foreign countries started their companies or foreign automobiles, they it is in the Indian market. Different countries' products are flowing to different international markets. Okay, because of that the foreign investment brought new technology. പല രാജ്യങ്ങളുടെയും പുതിയ ടെക്നോളജി വഴിയുള്ള വെഹിക്കിൾസ് വന്നു ആൻഡ് ഡെവലപ്മെൻറ്റ് ടുക്ക് പ്ലേസ് എ global level. That means development also took place, or the global development took place in the case of the automobiles. Before liberalization, we know that in India we can see the Indian products of the automobiles and all. But after liberalization and globalization, we saw that different foreign vehicles, foreign multinational companies and the foreign direct investment also helped boost of this automobile industry. At present, 15 manufacturers of the passenger cars and multi-utility vehicles also. 15 manufacturers of the passenger cars and multi-utility vehicle companies are there. You see, what do you mean by multi-utility vehicles? ഒരു വാഹനം പല ആവശ്യങ്ങൾക്ക് ഉപയോഗിക്കാം. മൾട്ടി യൂട്ടിലിറ്റി വെഹിക്കിൾസ്. 9 commercial vehicles manufacturers are there. 14 two-wheelers and three-wheelers manufacturers are there. And industries located in these all industries, most of these automobile industries located in Delhi and Gurugram. You know where is Gurugram? Haryana. And Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, Lucknow, Indore, Hyderabad and Jamshedpur, Bengaluru, these all places. You know Jamshedpur? It is in Jharkhand. So, dears, these all areas, it is these automobile industries are there. Okay, don't forget these places, you have to repeatedly read this area. Dears, these are the important things I have to discuss about the automobile industry. So, automobile industry provide a quick movement of the goods and services and the passengers. And also after liberalization, there was a healthy development happen or healthy growth of this industry, because different multinational foreign direct investment helped the boost of this industry, and because of that number of manufacturers of the passengers cars and commercial vehicles, multi-utility vehicles, two-wheelers and four-wheelers are there in India. And India's located most important automobile centers: Delhi, Gurugram in Haryana, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, Lucknow, Indore, Hyderabad, Jamshedpur, Bengaluru. These are the important centers. I think you got it. Okay. So, next small topic we have to discuss, very important it is. Information Technology and Electronic Industries, IT. Information Technology and Electronic Industries. Okay, very important industry it is. Recently it is a very important subject, IT, Information Technology. You see, it covers a wide range of producers, such as transistor to television. You know what is transistor? It is amplify or a switch electronic signals and electrical power, that is transistor, you know that. Transistor to television and a telephone, cellular pager. You know what is pager? Yes, it is wireless telecommunication device is known as pager, wireless telecommunication device. And telephone exchange, radars, computers and many other equipments required by the electronic required by the telecommunication industry. So, dears, these are the important things. And also, Bengaluru is the electronic capital of India. Very important 1 mark question it is. Most of the question papers I saw that before 2 years, last 2 years this area was not for the exam. Okay, before 2 years I saw that which is the electronic capital of India, that is Bengaluru, don't forget it. Okay, and other centers are, apart from Bengaluru, other centers are Mumbai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, Lucknow and Coimbatore. You know that most of the people, they are going to purchase a fan and other electrical equipments from the Coimbatore because it is a manufacturing area. So, price will be less, that means wholesale area we will get the less amount with all these electronic equipments. Okay. And 2010-11 STPI. What is the full form of STPI? Don't forget it. Software Technological Parks of India. That is the full form of STPI. Software Technological Parks of India come up when 2010-11 across 46 locations at different parts of India. ഇന്ത്യയുടെ 46ഓളം സെന്ററുകളിൽ STPI came up or started. What is STPI? Software Technological Parks of India. The major industry concentration is that Bengaluru, Mumbai, Chennai and some other places it is written in your textbook, you have to read. So, different centers they started it. And the major impact of the industry, what is one of the most important impact of the industry is the employment generation. Because of this STPI, most important factor or most important impact, after effect, result, employment generation. ഒരുപാട് ആളുകൾക്ക് തൊഴിൽ ലഭിച്ചു എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. That means 30% of these people employed in these sectors are women. 30% ജോലി ചെയ്യുന്നവരും employers, they are women. An important foreign exchange earner. That means STPI, that means they started 46 centers and they are a foreign exchange earner. വിദേശ നാണ്യം നേടിത്തരുന്ന ഒരു activity it is, and because of its fast growing business processes, outsourcing sector, it is known as this IT and electronic industry is known as, or STPI it is known as fast growing business processes outsourcing sector എന്നാണ് അറിയപ്പെടുന്നത്, that is BPO, business process outsourcing sector, BPO. And the continuous growth in the hardware and the software is the key to the success of IT industry in India. India, one of the most important center of the IT industry, Bangalore especially. And you know that why it is, Bangalore is or especially India, it is a center of IT skilled people are there, highly skilled people, youth people are highly skilled and language fluency also there, they are more skilled laborers. skilled people in case of IT. So it is the continuous growth in the hardware and the software. Continuous growth in the hardware and the software is the key to the success of this IT industry. Now you understood what is the key factors of the success of this industry? That means continuous growth of the hardware and the software. Continuous growth of the hardware and the software. Dears, you have to read this area more time, then only you will understand. Okay, here I am going to stop today's class. Okay, read the area more and more times. Okay, we will meet again on next class. Bye.